our sassiso sansa, maybe a chum on one casa crono, now one you know who I dare can a conference, no, not just our form, Namam Saunya, Mame, I just on our bataya, Mame, our name, de Mami or supporting a bar, Nebia Sani Panada support, Emma Prebiano, Emma Jumadia Udi, and just on Niabi, and some I comment and what day, what the catches are we know, and some other man, Mamma, to no one else who we are, the spice at Sandra, one of some other two American, you know, what are the catching a camera, and some other match, Mamina, your fan Saratiwa to Bogo, and no, and some nights as a minute dear, one of some Emma, who's 7, you know, yet the Emma, yet for an pay, and some our short of some amino, when you're about to quite a month of May, essence, the month of May, and frimo, yes, or Yarika Krabi, and to Yadika Krabi Abino, and I'm a mamano's answer, I will tell you, Mamino Biano, was say, or Gidia Basana Mamino, and some about just a proud, I know, and some Ayasma Sprintana, your father Sam Ayat to Bogo, and somebody out to Giantia Kakra, while Brennan Pena all dedicated a win, gold medal at Jama Nemada.
Silly, how proud of you do you think your mother would be right now?
I believe she could be one of the happiest people on the planet because she believed in me and I had so much doubt for myself. I would say the 100 is too tactical. You have to perfect everything. So the 200 is more of everybody's race. So you could correct along the way as you go through to the line. So I would say both ways I'll still be there on the finals.
Yes, and no, I say Nipa no Jenny de Messi Africa, you got apostle say, Massa won't come ferry boss one about Kushomanim, Monsomodi Ghana say, and a shamanim, I she okay, I grow as a child, over the she a crow a baza, she. Now, some of you run was say, and now, no, Muntimin Kasebi or the first of near, your father said, be a lettex, said, and maybe a chum. Now, Yababenya will send boat to no Mafe, Yababenya Chesabi a poor, no you are black more. Now I'm here the face and my latex no on what did you about one when you're arrogant I say no allows and what you know or you'll be on saying loud that's so runner your father said no allows in today one to mean casuanum the face and the mania your father said latex I'm on for say one casaye a bit did you about a job a bit so did you about sampa no cross one or some more kaye a film be anyone to Bogo a kasai.
I think both ways I'll still.
Let's silly. How proud of you do you think your mother would be right now?
For me, I can't be
in the mix zone. Can you just tell us his name? And then two, you know, Usain Bolt was the face of track and field for so long, and I think won the 6 gold medals. Is that something you aspire to, world records and being the face of track and field in the future?
His name is Kebonyimu Disados Musimanyani, and I think for me I can't be the face of athletics because I'm not an arrogant or a loud person like Noah. So I believe Noah is the face of athletics.
In the mix zone, can you just
yes, I know I can't free Nasua de Banamum Oko, I team US, Omaswaya, Menka, Omasambia, Massa, Messe, among for Basso Pomotema or Red Fanasa, I Steph Curry, and some our sorrow if we left, right, center, and a Bessansa, Wabrana Omutrali, Amaya Fanasa Sabianampo, Wamusum Abayajuma, didn't Nameka say, or Red Fanasa, LeBron James, or no, and so Annabella for Pike and Adama Omeno, one on the restore parity, Emanabaya 84, and so no red for the Steph Curry, and so we are joining some from no casino. Woman's area, Yamian Mochina, I 7:30, and you men are Machino, and also Abaso, why never good? When so Annabelle fast silver at the Aqua Arches, and you know, and some lady of Amaswaya at the Abawa bread, that's why ye can Olympic Games and send something you know. Maminko, I have football, and now almost a final game at Basso. Now, I'm a game at Basso, and you may know a boy, I have 4 o'clock, I have Ghana. final time or refer to Thierry Henry or no and some like the boys in the one in Santiago yet Daniel Sanchez and El Quacosia now just a both managers in will be adding the team and one more game about or refer to Henry on him say about Serbia football and I gold medal the last time of France also achieved gold and Los Angeles 1984 and a Cobas of France and your gold medal no as the only gold medal our bomb France Mano and some Ageno LA 1984 and what you almost Cobium 1900 100 year Wamusum Nanya Canasa Ayadesa Silver our Brasa games in and also across our Paris not just a gold medal our football no Wamum Ajabakopa now you be coach and for Thierry Henry so opening moment and El Paso now and you be on saying and I must see Commerce Sene will be as a host and win and I game a Mosa Quackabon and young Quadama Chesan say I am more any Spain and elbow family person more and Albania be on a game saying and I must see come Yentia Thierry Henry.
The amount of times the team go to the final in the tournament is not always being at home. I'm talking about obviously. Look at the history; it doesn't happen often. We have the habit in France to manage to do it somehow. So it tells you how much we can be together when we have to be together, and that you can see in any competition, in any sport. But I've been telling them that to again, I repeat myself, but feel the emotion, don't become it.
Yes, and no, I am some France, I am Olympic team, I'm coach, and so I am Thierry Henry, and I'll test ya didn't something, and my for another penna, just and a die so a woman fay, what catch up boys, and I say, wait, no, Yana Ban say now, I emotions, and I'm about to so feel you now live I am some period to live with some moment tea, our promo game about so I was a gold medal, and some about Adama France, Amino, medical record back at the Amadia Tosubium, and some other say. Sakoba Serbia na Dream France main eje and Serbia Spain and so eje na chese we na baba the first time ya baba nya European country ono eje ayo gold medal our football mo sansade ya 1992 and so the last time of Spain we so eje bi our Barcelona chese ni nyina na fru de ba no mama front to them for the first time since 1992 and no chese Spain edin kunme fru ba ni nyina no akọ adema Latin America and just a economy before you Sansa Uram and so our brown Olympic Games Brazil Ag2 Argentina Ag2 Mexico Ag1 not just intense Serbia European country and some about you gold medal our football anymore and Tinana tree aya day and yama abesisa wine adia aya France and Serbia Spain mainana mame Lacazette oka omwa woman fear abroad 23 years omunya chance yadomo France squad player na your France Alexander Lacazette eko was one of the emotions and our boys woman some abe feely esansa one more than a mammy and I said, Papa be take it. Waba Stadium will be able to take it. Tamana Busia for now for 4. Ama just and you may omunano and some other pop body be Asha and your BNA. Ebakuye, our France, a man, I bet you God and as a saying, and some other match in the Bessiaco way, and so I Alexander Lacazette.
Struggle with the emotion. They really handled the emotion really well. I know for some people tomorrow's gonna be tough because most of them are from Paris and all their family and friends gonna be there. So I know it's gonna be different for them, but still believe in them because they are strong, they are really strong, and they have a lot of quality to handle that. And so I'm quite sure tomorrow the emotions not gonna be, they're not gonna struggle with the emotion.
Yes, and also a Kakra branch at France Alexander. Like I said, our Broadway, I am proud to a final and no Elbaso and our test many channel and so NHS and the player respectively. Yet the Omo accepts Ama yet for him say or real France Chrono Gallagher. Shark Mame Gallagher Coco Dwale to Kwama Chasano Claudia. I'm say why you're training Kakrani Adana. Deminian say and every Wabasa Shia a manager France Simeone and a Jamesa Canadian so share or run na on some rant no mo catch as a training session and on some course no we be share bi awia and so our chese aye campo na anwumre wasan training aye spend time aye 7 o'clock na anwumre ye say one of them say nyame adama Sunday omo bo friendly game and some ade atia juve match no abekos our Sweden ye say I want to let you go for focus ni nyina no and so I want to kono Gallagher there our behind our boy no and some other training na ye say no wa be true there I was so training kakenwa masa ye say Gallagher wa training wa wonim dada kunko ye so nua kikire no of no atia no masa ya betre na wa me bra ye say no doctors na dia akwa ho den to adamenya no sa ahoden muli chase eno no boy no and some Sompa na ban say be a physicals na why you fit ameno kasenwa ye say trainers na kwa ka twa say on slow down man nye gidigidi sa esansa yesa na bia enom akwa fa asema ba a chase no enioma eno no eno some akọ Emma Gallagher na Jeminya no say player ye found so Julian Alvarez and na man for them san kebia enra and obe fly and some aba Jeminya no say Atletico wo ma arrange a private jet ade am boy no nyame ya mo chinati aye Sunday and the boy no and some aba man medical nyame ya doma eno aye Monday eno so aba so what da some ade manager na edin koma eno aye kakra fra Atletico faso ye ade ba fe yenko vade ba masa enra Real Madrid omo training Mbappe we and ye can say aye proper first training session so and some ade ma kwadana ye fa say Mbappe masa Mbappe ne odi tadin na hwebi say we are fortunate na bia wonya bia hwe and some was Mbappe ne masa unia na akwadwa twase kakra bia me ko eye benkus na ba ko bia shark ko achi ba ko bi de bon man kikike no ahye no aje masa e say the remedy team na hu men Canada masa wo mo sem wo mo chi obi a ba tena dia na baby mfimfin kakra bi no say should Bellingham nom and Mbappe nom a combined strength gay one passes papa na bona pie pine na tra kasam say kai en kofani abre na Antonio Pintus and what the boys need to train is no more so I just have feel am fitness level and some about come Mbappe no I just say janko almost say enra there I'm saying the training session masa na eja I just no I semna and some nothing Mbappe so ya at about Mbappe yes was say Super Cup no and wash anymore because about the Serbia Super Cup and UEFA only be that 81 Madrid Champions League come out when also wait me our first game one about and was say wash anymore essence way about the dance na I'm saying the first match one of some about to say one about me at Edison now so report to me say player na you find America Laporte also Laporte to modern ball I was Euros na come up na me about that time and about Euros na say one or say on Sanko, Saudi Arabia bium, not just Nasar Jumadiano, one Laporte and Sanko, and pay, and yet say, Real Madrid Bobo Kono, I Ancelotti say, Ope, essence of Bonoma fan for free. Wayama Nasar for 8 terminating the contract, not just Obako for free. Yet the Dominions are Real Madrid for some wine, yea, say, American Laporte, Debbie, and Yano Creta, one say Laporte, Ayobia, Obianua, one of Abekasabia or Peno, and Tomo Casabia. No, I bet me a join Los Blanc questioning in another say, no could be anywhere, and no answer. I want me no say, what did he about England? I bet the essence of tax and send someone, Yana England, Jano was so, and he will favor move, and so La Liga anymore, about America, Laporte, and La Liga, one answer up. Now, Dominion is a remote phono, Nano Mike, Abed Cassia Codina, your fan of Juan Martinez, or no, and you can have some chance at Real Madrid. I didn't call a year tall, I was shoes. Now I'm a credit in here on also born out Quaquesa Ramos Daniel Bian Nabotre Pia Dominion say Real Madrid for so boynum also extended the contract at my team to no casino yes in Comodia Shasia and Nagusu Alcos and Chabian Aquadano as about signing new contract on my side your fans are Real Madrid Bruno and some update about free my main front one says should Bellingham one of them Bellingham our problem on a betty and until I drew part to be last season force I and a bell and a mountain baba from 1 manager changing the position and after 2 now our price shano wabons war bar now it was the chichering a batino and some other Chesabian and Sana Bom Jaminian in say remodeled for some message I am very simple I dare kind of say rest Sabia or so Joa home also rest and almost I am very essential now Chesa who here at this is rotation Abaya Juma rotational policy Abaya Juma Uniwa Alda Gulash ebetimi aye Uniwa Danis Bayos ebetimi aye enti de minya no say yesi adabako a wo mo twensem ebesi ane so point no obetimi I recover ye no recover fully ama chese na betini nyina no eno so ahili kama me no ka se de men say kan say abroncha ba no say Dani Olmo awo bonsa omo genom and no, my itinerary send a free 10 o'clock and pay airquay and I just a brand contract or saying say announcement. I was a banner jack canning and also about soon to no casino. Brain and I'm come by Ayasa Odru Ayasuta Aya a sportive our ho and our branch of Olmo and some I know no about Obano the agent account Abusian funny being so about job I'm on Comodibia was a basubiano and also to me a basso kama now report to me. Yana was a contract our brother Konom and HS and Penfold up our one of the announcement and about him said Bossa boy in free bus are quite 10 years any say yes way and at the 5th time I just on my try next and can be on average at 2 years be a bus I try say be a Dani Olmo after 10 years and a 5 attempt a fee and a Dani Olmo and some about Adam and second say boy no and some Nabarian and Juma in a fee my main fan to him say Nico Williams said that so training and some Adama Bao, Mekatra Emra, somebody training the oil in answer, or that's what on first match. Now, report I mean, Nano pay and a jab and in Acha say, Timonum, Abba fly, and so Aqua, I used to gut, as answer, one more match about our Germany or Nico Williams, report I mean, Saka, and as a many Janaba say, one of the Aqua and comedy as some of us, and almost na no ayo player, and Yakon and Kayan were Tirana, and Yabia or Obiso or Tombi Biamau. Jaminian said Nico Williams, this more bomb price, Sabia D. Ababa, not boy D. Enco. Woman, about some of the point Aqua Germany. Now, South Friendly game about Swing and Swabobio, Swabobio, our sub and watch it. Woman says, Akabasing Amaya Doma, and I next week Thursday. Emra and our chess war and our first game our league against your Taffy and Basu a gamer many Jana airplane say Wabama Nico Williams abo ayesa bonibi Ajama Bebao Arches and and some update Abatia yes Nico Williams abusian for an Casano Wamubakachos Aquadan Ebeste Wamusomo Brain Kakra Abakacho Sebia Nico Williams Abako Barcelona and Tidia France Adia Omo Brain Kakra and your Busuafon and Casacasa and Wayne and some not general Bajeti Manoka Basa for Kansin Semu Artesia who Sebia Basafono Womunqua Juana Sebia Munqua Fia Amateur Seninano and some Kakra Abana Bobokua Yafana AC Milan a Fay and Abu Plan Madruno so now Emerson Royal Eba Milan almost say Wama Renti a jet I was at the point Eba Waba joining AC Milan a catch up and now securing an air 50 million euros 50 million euros no add-ons account and a binum at the Abba on some Morata. What you call Abba Drew I am Milanello Cram and Nano Peno. I'm saying you may was a Cosso Emma Brontia. You found some Morata, we drew the street of Milan. Almost buildings in Nano. Woman Morata a ball down to Abu. Question now is as one agent to Bain and we Morata way. Oba Madrid, no akwa Juve, no ababa Madrid, no akwa Atletico, no aba Chelsea, no ababa Madrid, no akwa Milan. Masa, wo okuba bi obi asoso wo hwie, enso de bia akwa nya tim kase akokobo. Ni nyina na eye agent a ye na druba bia ya na asa boys wey. Enso akita Arches no, enso eye update eba honsam no. Ye de am ye tefa akwadana, ye fan Harry Amas our Manchester United. Report to me say kan say nyame ya mo tena Man U first squad amade kwa go Man City wey eye curtain raiser almost say woman should have found our community show to know woman in Man City and our board Jamina and it's a Manchester Quatana your friend Harry Amas on Bono Popa call a Benkus Amas a princess Yakodawe and some Aya Jumaden yes a manager at the Bonity Abaka Aya squad and all now Mamma Aya manager Fanasa Eric Ten Hag when him say Omubusan sir and Yabian Motowi was what your work can occur Obedi Obiabahua almost a transfer market and your mind is slow I said and quickly said maybe a terminal over just we are coffee we are coffee we are and your mind is still no on deep German you air your own country and the Manchester best way in onka your best work can you say Omatomi only dada dear can you know and subedi so
the market when we have news we will announce it now but you see the market it is quite quiet still but we have done our business we have done 2 deals and but yeah it's about timings and it's about the market options and it's about in the right moment do the right things. I don't go into details where we are now in recruitment and where we are working on of course we know what we're doing. I think we are in a good position with the squad and just for you.
Yes, I know I am Manchester United manager fans Eric Ten Hag gonna tell some except some no pay but don't probable line up my media fans tip of so make catch on say goalkeeper no see a few or better key risk massa mon function with the more expect this season or better key risk more onana and Jaminian say nyame armo no one can start now one Anthony Akwaoka a branch of Anthony say Yaman to Jassa onom do obeso kan nyina say enioma sisio na last season enioma course won waji tum say na mo no bo last season na enye na enioma pi ena ka ma no Anthony Modempo no na enye sansa personally won wan kasa no personal life no ma bi course a anhye dan twe okay so ne the former wife sense bi ba o se nyina no enya nsunso so bone awa ne so awa brana ma ne game abafom na so this season o obi an mentality no I am very strong na do obeso kan nyina say ha was I was what the goal any assist I kind of bought no now when that's all your boss or shamu nyina mo ball say this season what is a Manchester shall goaler one no Anthony who bomu what is a Manchester enya sister or no Anthony who bomu our bra Anthony and I can 720 and you not that bring Sompa ama just Anthony say afino I je be koye bibia be kama and you man so abesesa ama ne dwumadi a wotini nyina no enso akoso wano Arsenal when him say Mikel Merino mekana no pay say wo mo squad o mo de kwakoba Union Berlin no Mikel Merino enka o na mo de Martin so be Mendy aka squad no Mikel Merino jameka cho so mu janu wa kire sanse wan hye na nye training papa be na masa mu huaji musika yeso boy no ene Mikel Arteta wo mo wi an sa o na boy no kasa wo keka no benya na nka na ekura no wo mo confirm deal amono Merino enso ma join Arsenal ansa na chance Arsenal de omo benya na so se bia Liverpool e benya player na ye fan sa Martin so be Mendy eho ana asem no ma me no na okohye omo kodru no ma me Liverpool fan ba ko hotel a woman some awo nipa no aye Liverpool ni na cha so planning ni onu Mendy and Johnny so busa say na ubenya ba na Mendy esre ono wanka ane ono so a wono some ankanta bi na cha say nei am say Mendy dey am found say woman some other boy no kwa ni nyina no ebetu ba so be kate ne o shot nempo wono some adjoin boboku a ye fan say Liverpool san some no ka say dey me say kan no and so still boy no ono some atiri ba say Liverpool and so aye club anyo bia ne nyabo Liverpool aye team awo join here aboa man yoma so yakama and some adamati dem say kan so boy no and some up team na ball na Liverpool for ne ka say goalkeeper na wano so be gidi awo Euros ni mu no ye fa no ayam Mamadashvili na chesa we I Valencia for goalkeeper no a George Mamadashvili report to me nyane say when Valencia for ne kasa say ono ebeto aso nempo report to ba sese an say nipa no obese answer obefi Valencia akono na bia 30 million euros and I amount I was say almost set me can send a goalkeeper ye fan say Mamadashvili wo mo som agane kwama na ko na report to me nyane say Tottenham team no wo mo som area Dominic Solanke yet no person ma wiem komana ma say je eba no say boy ne benya join boboku a ye fa no say Tottenham from Bournemouth eno aye update about Cole Palmer ebedri je me say kan say na oni team no ebe training abo Kobam and wachi abronte na ye fa no say Kukuraya and some aba Kukuraya so ebe training and anti kuku and so aba bedru ni na no aye update free omaso de ba ye say Chelsea manager fans Enzo Maresca no when him say about players MP and say mobile training never crackers I mon America coach betman moko pack and on sa no abre ball amon kick ball now so say owura fans Maresca dia no yana em say ball work and do some more and no some ana boys in epe enti wa chance owura boys no amakomam ama jam say kan say boys no wo some aya da manager ne pa no real fans William Gala na ama for kan Galas William Gala ono no say na Chelsea asa kwa goto goalkeeper biem na mo pa ntidi na mo cheche na mo goalkeeper ba se de ho wo say babia mo dwuma sa mo nya striker o na anya striker bia keka hwan e fa no Samu Morodio Masa o reverend William Gala say Munya oberi san Victor Osimhen tumedi obetimi adi adiama Chelsea no and said the Drogba adi aye Chelsea aye yentinai enom ana muhia obi abama mu goals a guarantee mo and said that Drogba and maybe atwam ne dia enom aye Victor Osimhen no bi and also mo kofa na dene banya na Samu Morodio na hwan ni na dente bia ne a just ye kasa no aye update ba me no kasa no pen Aston Villa 132 million euros akọ Atletico Madrid. Now Madrid for you say almost Peugeot Felix no. On say sorry and say Atletico die. Now some as of Enra. Na me tesa Barca for na say come hu biem. Esan say Joao Felix say bana obebolo edema bobo kwa na say Barca ni nyina no. And some na update about player na. Ye fan say Saul Girassi with Stuttgart and join Dortmund. Jason number 19 and a boy no. And some abaja kwana na nka Chelsea no mo makapa no. Maximilian Bayer say on a Dortmund area one abadwane Dortmund chese no so aye kakra free o ede banchabu Anthony no Anthony okay
na Anthony come on say you
oh some de nipa de o ka no kra na me po asem
for you we so legit you know wo
sa
Anthony ni everyone want Bisaka so say you as you on there right back
on the two there o yan twino
Francis on him say we are seeing now.
Ono ne right back. One picture be na no chest ball na afa no mama.
Enu say
Saka de no what jib ball to no bozo.
Onye player ke.
Player na jib ball to no bozo. Masaka. Wo Saka onya no mama quick.
Bagwa de la. Ero le say Shadrack yi ato.
Ero aka
ka bagwa se ma be. Na ere ko ko teche.
Da fa amfa.
Ya kwa ba biya mo ko de.
Oh, me so player no Marseille fancy.
Player here.
Player no Marseille.
No, number 43. Untimi nchesi kani se don simfa.
Oh, David.
Oh, your team boss. Those are my phobia team boss and social media.
There's a player
a quadruple decker.
Let me say Chelsea training grounds. You move PMO because they were players they balled there.
You see carry a crab betting.
Around where's all my cosign you go
I don't want to say the next book or 2 hours.
Me pass video no fancy mama.
Video there. Shadrack when ready ala.
Chelsea wo omo video bi omo yomo say sign him. Sign video no me pay.
Shadrack when ready ala.
Picture fancy quite
ready. Oh the mama share.
Your boss there.
You know the house.
You sabi play ball.
Yes, I sabi play.
Sign him.
What have I done with myself?
Hello, I'm here now. I'm here. I can't see you. I'm on black. I'm black. Where in black? Where
you use your generation to play. Use your next generation to play.
How come you resemble Taribo West? Have you played football before?
Where
are you? Sign him.
Where? I don't.
What's going on now? What's going on now? What's going on?
That goes with Ronaldinho. Ronaldinho.
Who do me like this? Who do me like this?
What it be this? What it be this? Ball. They play. What's the name for your ball?
Ronaldinho.
Ronaldinho.
Oh my God.
Jesus. Sign him. How come you disable Dele Alli? You won't go play ball? Just won't go play. Sign him. You don't know. You be Chelsea fan.
Me Chelsea.
I say you be Chelsea fan.
Me ni afaru me Chelsea ne.
What you blue they do for your leg?
Ni telo ne.
Sign him.
Don't try. Put it there. Put it
Gbogbo wa ni wọ́n kò ládùúgbò.
Sign them.
All of you should be settled.
What have I done with myself? What have I done with myself?
Sign this thing now. Because God away. Sign because God. Now why?
Let me be able to there. Sign. You sabi play ball. Hey. By the way, I don't do fancy. You sabi play ball. I don't do.
You be told bia.
Na to poli mo fa ne magana ha bi na police say mo asia. Magana de kan bo afu crowd. Abu ya hard correct me be 20,000 pounds wira.
You know sabi play ball.
But now let me ya mo ko there.
Abu
we very very interesting. Now how is it? Near machine. But to be very honest, Chelsea are silence Bibri, but I don't know what they are trying to do now.
Oh, okay.
I say, uye bibi mane broso. I say, nyoma na omo ye no, afide abroso. Only say, o check you goalkeepers at Chelsea team assign omo this particular time around now. For the last 6 years, Chelsea are spending 161 million pounds on goalkeepers.
Oh, okay.
Now, Abu, yenye diligent on this particular discussion. Na me bo player ni dia no aboni role a player na play dia ma team ni e dia ma ni ahwa de kakra. Na o Chelsea goalkeepers no ma sign na Kepa o Chelsea number 1.
Yeah. Dabi. Is that result no nyi bi kra.
Omoto 72 million pounds.
Last season Kroko loan.
Edward Mendy way. Chelsea signed 22 million pounds.
Or Saudi.
Gabriel Solina away 7 million pounds.
Yeah, on the crop and in nam. On the crime is all that. And I know what man man call.
On the call baby on the Apollo no aba.
Oh.
Chelsea were Robert Sanchez.
Oh.
Last season Petrovic in the bed.
Yeah, better.
Almost signed Robert Sanchez 25 million pounds. Petrovic 14 million pounds. On the last season.
Yeah.
And on Makofa winding about Jorgensen.
Yeah.
On the Somo 21 million. And then Raya almost a Cotois regenerated AI Fibu Cotois from Genk, Belgium straight, and also 20 million euros, which is approximately 18 million pounds.
Yeah.
Now, these goalkeepers are masani or money in ano. A dear pan at Chelsea do obey. No. At first, not almost signing players. I felt say now they are moving away from the norm. Where o train my player ni develop and uya kakra bia no atwaso kakra because in as much as you want to buy potentials, you need a team to start winning.
Yeah.
And among Chelsea 11, one pound I bet me don't say so a leader with team nim.
Chelsea there is your team na me that who be on the namo. Is that all can more squad the sense yeah.
Chelsea was squad. Yeah, Chelsea squad near maku 50 ni kakra.
Ubenya list na.
Oh yes.
Ubenya list na.
Yes.
Kamaman comfort here kakra.
Chelsea list what I say. Robert Sanchez.
Me ya to was it. Sharak Chelsea well am I share on list the players now.
50.
This year Chelsea will play
Maku 50. Maku 50.
Wow.
Do omo nton ma bi ko but omo dey to
Gabriel make kra mu nyina asaso abeka wonya ne complete.
Oh, Shadrack ma me hwe full squad ne na nka me.
And Abu obi beka say ana Chelsea ade omo ye no ana ma me nkyere wade kodie nti a what Chelsea is doing here dangerous. Hwade on say Chelsea ankasa as a main team na edru maybe it was a club that had captains as players within their team in the dressing room. They were the leaders.
Yes.
John Terry, the captain of the English national team.
Yeah.
Michel Ballack, the captain of the German national team.
Yes.
Oba Chekidi Drogba, the captain of the Ivorian national team. Not to talk about the influence and leadership of players, but to say Ashley Cole. Not to talk of Mike Lassian, who was not even the main captain, but one of the deputy captains of the Black Stars. Claude Makelele, a leader within this particular setup.
Frank Lampard.
You look at Frank Lampard, not to even talk about key players like Goodmans and Moa. No, Monoko Piemo, Iceland, they were leaders within their teams.
And even I think Claudio Pizarro. That former Bayern.
Yes.
Also
Peter Cech, so you're the captain of the Czech national team. Look at the dressing room Chelsea had. It is a what they are known as foundation and not all build upon it. Now the potential say be blend here. You don't have any problem. What told you Abramovich did not buy a lot of players? He bought. But one thing that a team man, balance between the two teams, say, or more problems are. There were no issues with it, because the main team was winning. And they're winning trophies.
So, this is an idea about Bessisa. We all can't be about Roman Abramovich. What can I do? Asemizo. You see first season. That was 2004, 2005. Signings na Chelsea. Yeah, no. Niamo would be running influence or munya after 50 years. No more moba. Ebabe Jili. I think there's a signing no Kromo ye bakwa. Kofo kan was empire and Robin Diano. Who's all very young. But at the end of the day, results at the match team now. As compared to where is here a idea about coming structures and then
check Chelsea Ankasa in 2004-2005.
Yeah.
Transfers in. Omokofa Paulo Ferreira didn't free. Porto ne didn't buy for £13.2 million. Paulo Ferreira was a Champions League and a Europa League winner coming to Chelsea. Meboa.
Yes.
Anna also the bad down. Obe Peter Cech in 2004-2005. No Mokofa ne didn't buy 7.1 million from René. Then Ubenya PSV and Hoven are in Robin for £12 million. No Mokofa ne didn't buy. Mattia Kezman, £5.3 million. Didier Drogba from Marseille, £24 million. Thiago Benfica, £10 million. Ricardo Carvalho, a winner, £19.85 million. Then Nuno Moraes, undisclosed fee. Then Jarosek from CSKA Moscow, £3 million. Among list are Ubenya experienced players is in the room. Paulo Ferreira, Obekasa about Carvalho, Obekasa about Thiago for Benfica, Obekasa about Didier Drogba from Olympique Marseille, Obekasa about Peter Cech from Rennes. These were guys with enough experience. It is a what them koda and I be more pidaba to say Robert Mona the mo be for PSV now. Pressure to me more so obi anko blame me. The reason why most of the young players Chelsea are buying no e be more form then you consistent criticism so near say there is no leader in the team to even take up the blame. Now Fatu to Real Madrid, Fatu to Arsenal, Fatu to teams be on one could be room. Real Madrid Opama Adagula and more 50 matches a season. So Real Madrid and Koya and form one on Bemuno. Omako have Modric.
Yes.
Omako have Vinicius.
Yes.
Omo say Adagula because there's a certain level of foundation that has been laid within the club. And then they building Kulano was and some of resale values are possible. It is a Chelsea and Timmy and no man Timmy and performing. No resource now, Mama trophies are ma. Whatever they are doing with this particular project becomes useless.
Wow.
Very useless. One find very useless. Me and Canada are very useless. Someone to me and find you here. Because we need BBA and one a be increasing the resale value meboa. We need BBA and a be attention of pressure from these particular young players. But one, if you are not winning, the resale value of these players are not going to be there. Number two, if you are not winning, the pressure upon all of these players are perform But I
remember from last previous Mabefa, Jumadi no Mudino. Say BBA chose a bad things obunze Chelsea or Mo GBB. Your results and then said Omusi and Amaz will be by and fat. Do I be Jamanako or where the Nibble BC? But I feel Omuguzo Moto. Omuguzo Moto, almost more did said that she be but ye teams are. Abu, whatever they are doing, Mike Pender, Wako Fanadina Bay, already the ones you have, the pathway for them near day.
Now work for Strasbourg, good. Person the whole part with say the city the Giroud and why and multi-club, understandable. But the moment you are giving them that, there's a need for a clear pathway for most of these players to come to and make sure say the entire oba benya hunsu so and also oba enjoy the benefit from it. Me asase no na me ni omo ya adwen, but why ma ya ma na abroso initially when they were doing it last, me I was happy because work of Enzo Henny age obefa Kaisedo Penny age obeha bia the likes of Mudrik Henny age obefa Nicolas Jackson. I've always said these are young prospects of me good, but I said I don't know kwam as say no kasamre na Chelsea here some sort of experience because Chelsea here no man no.
Yes,
Chelsea here no man omaton kono Galaga e ma ne ko omaton some players be am 50 minutes but when no mo de neba Samuel Morodion. I'm not saying say he cannot be a top player, but what Chelsea needs now are ready-made players that could complement and take the pressure off the shoulders of these young players. Talent wo mumu bebre e wo team nim. Maybe I can kone die.
I feel emfa.
Oh, Abu. You two take some time.
I feel anyway.
I feel with me. I won't say me Canada, so I'll be very surprised. I think the biggest miracle that could happen is that Chelsea carry bottom 4. Oh yes.
Mate, but the video no so be here na me say nkofo ani age ho pa. Me gizo we.
Oh yeah,
Sa him.
That video we made about last season.
Na fi so ase aba. But there is a video le ko pa.
Chelsea be di man you enim kai.
O pa Chelsea.
Say last season mobile video we. Chelsea be di man you.
Afiso be sa.
Anthony wo ha yesuro.
Yo, I thought it's the last season one who's a fin or baba be ejuma. Or do one who's last season a fin or baba ejuma. But my this all call Kranza Ghana Commercial Bank. I'm more here, partner.
Okay.
As Ima on free Juma din in the Alrazo, Ima ne Ghana Commercial Bank. Or Juma for no more than a one of people.
Now coupon here. Ima no etima.
Ima a channel no people.
My follow quite be over fast bono. Yima. Yet your money. Imama.
Now, whatever was in Royal agent, no use. Maybe if you know, nephew that the baby I mean fear. Hey, but who is our sack of faba?
I suppose you know.
Mema unti.
Oh, whatever.
Or time, remember for a oh, okay, Mate.
Yes, sir. Papa Samoko Kromo, now what the Gume.
Are you walk? Come up, how?
Be Christian, young.
Okay.
Assembly England, you know, a saint Spain. Spain, where than a pa. It's go chromo la over.
I beg you, come on.
Oh,
let me tell you,
somewhere. Whoa. You been yamo.
Ugo ya. Oh, I'm not training grass.
It will cook.
I'm not training grass or
football. They be cooking.
Unya.
Football. More dear money every day.
Unya.
I don't know Galacticos. No. Dear money every day. That's how we were from
2020 with the
that's how we were from.
Aye.
Wait.
Generation we Papa
we Johnny Bravo. Attack near heavy. Echo from no.
Auntie, share 5 show says. As I want
Johnny Bravo FC.
Share 5 show says.
I will and then come on. But I have a question. Me person me be so be.
About me bizarre say mo anyima no. Emerson Royal agent me no use.
Minim dia. Tese me hwehwem. But me a question be a woman me team. It has been lingering in my head for some time. Who is your favorite number 9?
My favorite all time
all time.
Ronaldo.
Yeah,
Ronaldo.
And they will share the distribution of number 9 across clubs and world football let us
Number 9 for the see how they has a share that yet.
I think football is becoming too tactical.
Yeah, it is a first in the game.
Tactics anyway, na say football. Inti me players who have specialties.
Yeah.
Yenya technical, tactical players. Obetinya bo position we abo. force 9 ni way in abem intermie hu specialty ebi away a special number 10 special number 9 special number 8 and na the adventure bi babo ni mu a na memu ye de pa and there's a fan bi babo mu a and say ya goes dodo. Tactics is taking over the game and I think it's too much of it say game no so no issue kakra wo maybe tomorrow but me person me di basketball hon komo with your permission and team USA me patch we me from the dream team omo yeah basically at best they are the Avengers omo nye the dream team strictly for 1992 so USA team basketball team we maybe you can give them the Avengers because still they are vengeance 2004 humiliation no the one they suffered against Argentina and they nearly went through such an ordeal against Serbia. Serbia put up a spectacular first 3 quarters. First quarter, second quarter, third quarter. Now USA cheated form. And even with some 11 seconds to close the third quarter, USA were trailing 15 points.
Wow.
Basketball so the every second counts. But you see, I am here, say team biano. A war a foundation sa fapem na team ni gina so no solid unshakable and when it gets to the most critical moment foundation no will stand firm and then pull the team through and then the foundation of this team USA they were able to pull them from a more air slump no and then they were able to qualify them to the gold medal match against France. The foundation by America, I call them the big 3. One, Kevin Durant. Kevin Durant is 35 years. Oh yeah, the most decorated US Olympic men's basketball player. Obienu awaji gold wo do currently wo team nim say no. He's more successful than LeBron James at the Olympics. He's a top scoring Olympian for basketball. Was share points no do was obia. In another game no. It was one of his worst games. So in terms of scoring efficiency, one of his worst games. Your ball first half anyway, Kevin Durant no was 0 point. All his attempts, no a break it was not working. But even when things are not going well, to show you are a big and a crucial player, you come and step in at the right time. Football, basketball, like any other sport, I have moments they decide. And Serbia won 3 quarters but they lost the game. They led the game for about 35 minutes, but they still lost the game in the 4th quarter, which has less than 12 minutes. A moment. So Kevin Durant, even Abra when the best game, no, he still stole the moment and then he stepped up to deliver. And Onya 9 points. 7 of the 9 points it came in the 4th quarter. Then DNC he had an excellent defensive shift, and that is the crucial point here, because USA did not only need to score to equal, but they also needed to prevent Serbia from scoring. And then when you had 3 rebounds, interestingly, for a player more offensive oriented, the surprising aspect was that rebounds now Kevin Durant all 3 rebounds were defensive rebounds. Yes, na Serbia for no toy and about rim no and on we recover possession for Team USA. This is crucial. It tells you say even when Nkoya, the multi-dynamism of this American team but they've also showed that they can also defend when need be. And Enra Kevin Durant yes I didn't be the boy and Team USA in actual sense Enra in the 4th quarter alone, Omo making 9 defensive rebounds, no offensive rebound. Omo say they will prioritize and improve on their shooting. And to Omo improve on their shooting now, then what will happen is that defensively, they will try and stop the Serbians from also getting good shot. Shot in the obeto. By a bemana you're uncomfortable. I might say about a shot to a football, you don't have a better angle to play the shot. And it worked well for them. Kevin Durant, so number 2, LeBron James. He got a triple-double. Mechanics say, you were scoring way for basketball. Football, you can't go and assist. But basketball, no, a point, assist, and then rebounds. And so when you double figures when you name one, you find a triple double. Good. Now LeBron James about the year history. The history here is that he becomes the only American with me a triple double at the Olympics. Why you be paying in 2012? And what sounds why you be. So shout out the picture in the history of the Olympic Games, only 4 people and now 4 times and yenya triple double. And so 4 times no LeBron James Wow. 1976 Alexander Beloff for Canada. Sorry, against Canada. Then 2012 LeBron James against Australia. Luka Doncic against France in 2020. Then LeBron James against Serbia in 2024. He showed his quality. He showed his experience. LeBron James here 39 years or 40 years this year no benya. Even at the age of 39, the shift he puts in, he sets a better example for Nkwadano mo team nim. Hey, na LeBron kwa na yesi ya. Na wo Anthony Edwards obe den.
Ozori wona ye juma. And me hu ze we mu juma na say dinche in football. Ba say we mu no panfo na ewu no still hu ze
because omo strong. Omo training regimes, omo other aspect omo the realm in terms of diet and near. The omo ndi bibia akwa.
Oh, okay.
And omo ya LeBron James or caught 22 seasons in the NBA.
Wow.
And his experience na Enra no DSC no omo trailing by 15 no. He's been through such situations before. And I know here such people to be around. Oma ye bida, omunim said ye sit here. Ekwaya nkoda ne nko omunim body, but pressure to be tall so. One year careful penako create problem. But when why be hu, so they know what it takes to come back from such a situation. Until at the age of 39, he was one of the leading figures in the fourth quarter. Until na fancy yes to say, the share point man by 84 was LeBron James. In fact, after LeBron James share to equal no, on a Samsung ma assist na Steph Curry took share money 87-84. So he drove them, but on the defensive end, he was basically marking Joker Nikola Jokic. So he was defending and then he was facilitating and scoring as well. To a year 3 things: defending, assisting, and then scoring in the fourth quarter. Took them through. When your points needed to say Steph Curry, but if you see the no more behind the scenes to flow a bit more to say Steph Curry to do what they did, you really appreciate the greatness of having somebody like LeBron in this team. And I think it is really pushing them to get to where they want to get to. Then Steph Curry. I think nobody cooks better than Steph, and it needed to be. Tournament especially from shooting. Shasharak Mayer, the picture, you will see that in the first games on the average the points per game was 7.3, but Enra he turned up and dished 36 points in a single game.
Wow.
It tells you of his quality no. Even when he was not having a great time, there were the others who were complimenting. It tells of the deep squad Team USA basketball no more. But when the need be, the man who was supposed to be the superhero, of course, he showed up and became the superhero. Then he carried them through right from the start till the finish. And a true crucial game say now, and you play a beyond the unity, the best players in the UOMT, and Steph Curry is one. Internet Enra 36 points, cookie omo, 3 pointers, no Enra from 3 point or attempted 14 or making 9. Before that, no, I attempted 23 pointers in the first 4 games. Not 5 pen were making.
Wow.
Quality always shows when need be. And Steph showed his quality. And but it will be interesting. Against France, a repeat of last Olympics. The year Olympics final. Omone France ne share omukoi. But I want to believe that dear Steve Kerr, Eric Spoelstra, and the technical team of Team USA, the Omaye say, Mama team way no, and you're reliant on individuals, sir. And a certain two faced way be about them. They can play offensive and they can play defensive. So two arrowed approach, any other team will struggle against them. They have gold, or they will get the gold. For the French team football, so there, I think against France and Spain, maybe Thierry Henry will replicate Henri Michel. Henri Michel, the Omoje 84 Olympic Games gold. Then he got the French national team job. No, the Omobedi third. over the 1986 Olympic Games. The interesting thing is that 2026, see about World Cup.
Yeah.
2024, Olympic Games. Thierry Henry, a man for Bebre are linking it to the France job. This might potentially pave the way for him to win gold and then put his name in the equation.
But I think you transfer the final lap on us. Game after say you win. About to Bibi Aboko.
Aboko, how do you move on to baby? He's not qualified for the French national team job. It's not. If he's on do, no, undo. The national team of France have a lot of quality young emerging players. A more ego and attitude. He's not managed that before. It's a
top player.
How many top players are good coaches?
So
Maza,
egos in any way.
Even Ancelotti with all his pedigree.
Or Brekakra.
Or always have more because of the.
But about who a player now real coach or handle.
Yes, the respect is there, but there are things that they will ignore. Ronaldo and Bobo Lankobo Zidane are training. Players, they can test the pulse of a manager and try to find out that we are still here. They are working, and these are big boys. You go, they will remain. These are players that are team. So, look, the best person that can handle the national team. I can't respect that. Thierry Henry has no respect anywhere near Zidane. The next person, Zidane, when he's even speaking, Mbappe cannot talk. We're on this status of Zidane on Nibi. He's nowhere near that. What am I gonna say? So when you are talking about people who should manage after the show, someone like Zidane will be the best.
I'm fine
unqualified. Unqualified. And I told you guys struggling. It's unqualified.
About very legend. Top
by you. Legend. Not legend.
Why you want my friends? I know.
I'm saying that. Listen. Under 23 having 3/8 players and the national team bloated if we go is totally different. A national team are also coming to meet tactically astute and top managers. Master, please, don't call your name.
Apostle to how was it? Brain, you
assistant, so my Belgium.
The Apostle, why a Belgium assistant?
The second, Masa, Jagrono. The second generation team for Belgium has been useless. The potential that
Apostle, maybe your chair Belgium for Lukaku, Lukaku form no Apostle. And Belgium did no man jiba born no more. I was Kevin De Bruyne at time no mun and do the France and they cry.
You see, he's not qualified to coach the French national team now. Maybe in the future, after 10-15 years. Now he's not qualified. The caliber of players they have, he's not. He cannot coach them. He will mess them up.
Also 19 Mbappe beat my.
And then to better tactically, do you see what does Henry do? And I bought no share and attend
the tactics now ready. Wait. Obiaba yabo do final tactics.
What is that Maradona di Argentina about 20. Asani American kwa no.
I was to
Masa Mamika let's
a tactical winner.
Oh, tactical. Coach is fortunate because there are players who can change game for him, not because of his brains.
Oh, as I would.
Let's see Tebogo, Mami Kamasem. Adi awaye no Henry ye bi da.
Apostle, Henry World Cup champion.
Let's see. Oh, man.
Apostle Henry Aji
the World Cup. The World Cup that you are talking about 1990, Henry did not define anything. So don't go there.
You're part of the squad.
Part of the squad. Somebody this team. Then they say part of the squad. I'm saying that the man who defined that game was Zizou. Also because of what they did against Luis Dalima, food poison. But that's a different subject altogether. Didier Deschamps, they defined the game. Yori Jokai, they defined the game. Mercedes, later. Look, Lizarazu, I mentioned the name of men.
No, me MP for that time.
Masa, oh, Mayanka Yaseman. Maminka Tebogo Yaseman.
There are supposed to do it, and I also went to read Masa. Also,
Masa, Latino Tebogo. Latino Tebogo. You know, I'm proud for this boy for many things. One, It's not because of the fact, say, when we need gold. No. But niawaye no, and your gold now keke no. The whole Africa, we've never won 200-meter gold in 200 meters before. And you see that. The best we've come was Frankie Fredericks. 92 against Mike Marsh. Mike Marsh won it. And then 96 against Michael Johnson, he won an OD 2 silver. What this guy has done is not a gold medal, but African Union, where people named Guassier, share African Union, especially when they were pioneer, like Frank Freddy was the best person who stood up against American by law. But Mothers Munti, and your mammy be a name, mammy, and your papa be a papa.
Yeah.
The facts are why we wouldn't just say papa. We and mommy say the same thing. It is how Obe taking a particular interest on ma Oba Anamotu Efa Modachi home. And especially a single mother. Because we are in a country where member be irresponsible or Sebu or your bad daddy ope. Neso said take responsibility. I mean send Domujani. A lot of men are irresponsible like that. Now, in this case, ni mami, ni papa jai. The mother Saratiwa made sure say ofa no te say ni nua wanfa no krasa ne ba. Oni ni din komo o makola no hu ni daachi ni adwumade ni edin abraboboni menfa ho hye na foboni no. He had no friends. He was focused. And he went to Dose Mosimonyani, who was a coach be on so kola amuya ade mobo. This on charge or ni mame no the late. On charge you but obebo akwasa kwa ye year na mapebia ma no. A selfless gift Dose Mosimonyani and the trainer no e di man mame. Now the boy in May after ni mame wu ye no. Or ni mame grave. Shall I give me the grave? Or ni mame baby yes you know. Now this. Or he went and promised the mother that I'll win the 200-meter gold for you. Don't forget the 200 meter, especially 100 meters.
Yes.
Or he went to the grave and said, before he went playing to the training tour ahead of said my mother. And do TN9 he said, I promised my mother. Yes. I have a promise, you know. Who can in Zambia for a plane crash before my 20 to cap no. So he went to the grave of the mother. Ni Nils, ni More, ni mami Saratiwa initials eshim.
Oh, okay.
Or say, yes. So watch it. That's it. Then, so these are spiritual things. Then, all come Ricano. Or see from the bend. Who say he took over from the bend? From the bend, no. Or see stride bia or ye bia or tuni san bia ni mami di nebeni ni mami di akadi ni mami no. Yeah. No Allah za nyako. These are the things that make those things happen. Nyamansi keke. Look, 9.46. Look at the gap between him and Kenny Benarak. Benarak, or especially in 200 meters. Maza, when spirit and things come to play, natural physics, forget it. He's good 21 years, but how this thing occurred, it doesn't sound well. It was a shocker to the world. Don't forget, Noah last Olympics won bronze medal. He understands this stage. He beat him Budapest, Noah last Budapest. But the Budapest last year, 200 meters, no NSS sending signal to the world that this boy is real. Because not this second man Noah last.
Yes.
So, Obi this second man the best in 200 meters. Just and he promised the mother. And he delivered. And that is where the band here, that is where the whole Anna BBAC.
Yes, surprise. Final 100 in the show. I don't see a no allows in this specialty. Into Drew straight in the Osan allows team
baby. I didn't know baby. I can find no and you're normal beauty. Normal thing happen.
You can't zoom as a hard of physical way.
Bend near Bednarek straight.
And he beat them to their specialties.
Now, go to us or her last out to us. I want to be deep Chinese. I am one pretty seat. And then I make a catch of Massa.
Oh, as when you come to and don't forget, sir, 200 meters.
I mean, Cocobium. Where last?
Look, he's done what the mother. Ni mami neni bibia. And the mother spirit has helped him, but the boy himself has proven that a hard worker. He said, or say discipline. Or say, my catcher and say, you not pick any friend. I thought if you pick a friend that share his values. Value, you say, Ambrassier, a Jumadin, a Niedin. The reason why still doesn't have a girlfriend is because the mother said they should do at the age of 25, where you achieved great success before. My name said, my mail, whether you change your mind, we can. I hope that coach.
Well, yes.
So they say. So it's a wonderful way. After you can achievement, no. On mine, Nankasa, this is the third medal for. They've never won gold before. He has won gold. Najale was now 800 meters 2012, and then the famous 4x4 Isaac Mukwala Baloki Tebe in Dozinyame Mo Echo Olympics 2020 Echo G bronze. You see the level there. Now as we speak in Olympics, Ghana is nowhere near Botswana. Stop the noise. Stop the noise. 1960 was when TAT Masa. 1960 well, kind of 1960 not just silver. You should be ashamed of yourself. 1960 when you won silver, it's a disgrace. Mommy coming. Sidney McLaughlin. Mabeka young lady.
Last I be and
I make cut on the trainer Bob Kessie.
Yeah.
Now so this girl or representing discipline, absolute hard work, dedication, sacrifice, commitment to task and humility. Now, ultimately, after the trials, no, for 2 months, match number so, and the husband was a wise husband, wise husband, so no match for 2 months because she need to be dedicated for training. No match mean no sex for 2 months.
I want your match.
Yes, because she need to be focused and disciplined.
Also focus.
Yeah, Lebron.
2 months in Emma.
Because of emotions, you don't need that for those.
Yeah.
Now, yes, and look, the way she attacks the hurdle is never been done before. In 2019, this young girl emerged at Doha. And at that time, Dalila Mohammed at 2016 won gold medal, an American leading star for 400 meter hurdles. Then she was second behind Dalila at Doha. She ran a time 52.23 seconds. It was 0.07 seconds between Ono and Dalila. Then came the moment. So Bob Kessie, once again, parent came to play a role, introducing Ono to Bob Kessie, that they've handed over Ono Zakolano, so on making sure of transforming Akolano. In 2020, just 1 year, in 2020, so 52.23 Doha. In 2020 Olympics, she ran the best time ever, set an Olympic record, 51.46. Don't forget, so Babian call below 52 seconds in the history of 400 meter hurdles. Now, lower Anuba 51.46 now. Then, occur the United States Athletics Track and Field Trials Championship or Eugene. And now, Osan reduced from 51.46 to 51.41. Now, oh yes, I really know. Then, occur what I learned Championship Eugene. And now reducing from that to 50.68.
Wow.
Now the US trials, the US Olympic trials, are reducing from 50.68 to 50.65. And then now, or the other 50.37. So no. Yes. So in 13 months, she's broken and see that in track event, Nipa Baku a breaking record 4 times the same.
Oh, yeah. 25 years. I want to about 2016.
Almost I said the name about 20.
I know about Olympic Games 2016.
Transition.
No, me grooming.
Satana Dalila neighbor. So she came up 2019.
2020
So there's the girl. And kudos to the husband for understanding them. You yes, you need.
I know I
so, I don't know about on Sre.
Because it's part of a training. She's focused, she's disciplined. See, the American say Abedipele Kobo a top matcher. A night before the eve of the game, Maestro the number in Siomu, not the Taula Katanity or bomb match no one dream. And the next day when Maestro is on the field, you are finished. So she's focused and disciplined on why she's there. She doesn't need distraction. And then also the technique, don't forget say Fenkebol no or my young me want Fenkebol or try no Gibrons.
Yeah.
But she's may not because Uncle Budapest on your injury and the Fenkebol ko win here. So all by reason, she wanted to prove a point and establish the dominance. Say, I am the best. And I'm going to prove to you I'm the best. So she come focused, disciplined, dedicated.
I was Mate, Emrena ye, Emre Shopa, Emrena Bouquet, Mammy, Uroni, Yamwatchna, near Twas, Mr. Pacho. Oh, quite cranny. But maybe be time no bouquet, Mr. Apostle. As I would.
Ashad Nadim. Mami Ashad Nadim. What is done? Look, this Pakistani man got to 92.97, never in the history of javelin. Olympic record. Of fear, and he started as a cricket player. He was a bowler. Cricket. Yes, he was a cricket player. He was a bowler. Now, Shoaib Akhtar, former best bowler who retired 2011 for Pakistan. Now he was being only noted to know. Demo ni papa son pekri ni papa son pekri and ojaye and I feel javelin, short put, discus, long jump, triple jump, and all try beer. So one at 2011. So check the project again. 2011, 13 years before he had this. And Mohammed Rashid Saki. Ayo papa bi o trim no nkolaza komiamo ebo touch and go na no so person investing no mo. And no kon we. And then papa like construction worker or ni kapre Mohammed Asha no so me be die me ni shewunsem fano so ba na ye no ade. Then that was where the man started investing in him. They trained over prior for a year. The man took care of him. Bibia, he had nobody. The man became the mentor and then the trainer for all those years. Now, from 2011 till now, 13 years of investment, hard work, and training. And a papa no ajay, and no akofa a trainer, and no teacher as a mentor. That is what he's done for Pakistan.
Pakistan.
Yes. Na
Pakistan.
Niraj Chopra, Teo. Niraj Chopra.
Chopra is Indian.
Yes, Indian. Only the defending Olympic champion.
Chopra, they on their banner javelin.
Yes. He dethroned. Listen, Osha Chopra 89.46 and in 92.97.
89, impressive.
Very, very.
Impressive.
Not the first time.
I don't know why 92.97.
Pakistan.
Yeah.
I know.
This the emphasis which is a 4-year project investment. 13 years. Someone yabutre
la era uja itakubira lo we ele wa ngiri.
Eno e dia so say it. Me me no mo record no. E dia o me wi nkwada na try because me so say
sa lo we ele.
I mean who so be agina all score mo dey be mo.
Oh my can beat you.
But while I would be Jawa 21st getting store when you do the mazini ye be boama Europe tour no ababa be rom na boama nema ko ye peti mere sciatica treatment Europe tour e boama chela da ye peda but ne o ha bia o Belgium Germany Romania Italy obeti ye book appointment ni sisi anado kaba aba boama nema de ye peda ama 0244 915-116 0244-915-116 na do kabwa na sheshe na dadi peti mera bantu mu amano no monfa number no na ne mu amano no kra mo to ye kra mandro no ye di bi fiaba eba be ramu etimi edema Institute of Experts Travel and Tour Limited semenka fanchos ze na open work visa, business visa, study visa, permanent resident visa, business partnership visa and a visit visa ramu baby say Canada, USA, Australia, Schengen states, you know, and our countries in Germany, France, Malta, Portugal, also New Zealand, Serbia, na UK, Institute of Expert Travel and Tour. And ko baby am yan kon ko juicy kandi zanzo mejuma omobone ade ano edin papa tutu no health workers no say ne oye nurse, midwife, pharmacist, oye lab technician, oye ejuma bia yensa no juma say oye banker, construction worker ne akeka no. For number is 0539899915 0539899915 na 0504694209 0504694209 opoma so for line second gate or na cheso ro na chemo soldiers barracks no or more ebo ejuma papa nti amano ne dia eno an Institute of Expert Travel and Tour Limited ya na ho ye kwere ba pe ye bewram na afisem no olutaba aba beto aso etimi de amamo.
Any one me say wo ba no say wo kɔ Canada.
Oh, woko, oko suku.
Na yesi agya aba no so okɔ na nso no de okɔyɛ adwuma.
Me say, amanfo kɔ no. Enya gro.
Jaye no ho na de won kɔ saa no.
Oh, Express Group boya.
Express Group.
Yes, Express Group. Obia na nya bre. Pese otukwa kwa ama no ne de. Wo de obekɔ simple. If you want to study and work in abroad in any of the advanced countries like Canada, US, Australia, UK and Germany, they will take you there. Na say you visit and now turn so a wo kɔ Dubai, Canada, UK, USA, Australia, and Germany numa wo de obekɔ. Say ya juma so a wo de obekɔ Dubai, Qatar and South Korea. And if you want to write an international test like IELTS, SAT, TOEFL, GRE and GMAT, they will assist you to write. Hwehwɛ akira kwan e Kumasi, Asafo Labor, Roundabout wa, Enkran, Kanechi First Light, Tema Community 18, Lashibi Goy Filling Station, Sunyani, Silver House, Ewo High Court, Tamale, Ayama Building, Yabe Tamale Teaching Hospital, Takrade, Market Circle, and our offices, our Mabebre, so telephone 055-555-0067 and 0249-000448.
Mamisha, time HH Heba Mr. Bina Unumi, and your what dropa, a ya draw. Yadro say, mani pedian kwamwano enya hoden na akwatia yare en twen yare ansan wakwakoto fire wadro na nomno abribia Kanoga Company Limited. What the time TIME ebedwaso no wono a na the time HH Heba Mr. edia bedwaso akra wonyanya mfisia dumienu enum bi wo pemfo ene oba wo makra nufo enso enum bi time HH Heba Mr. Who benya bi
over the counter medicine sellers any shop dodo na mu
so pedodo to afre 0244 417669 0244 417669 time HH Heba Mr. Yadro say FDA adje edwadie nkratoe atum.
The ones that now from toothbrush no. Why and toothbrush no. Ninya Ashford.
Nah, Nina Ashford dear. Not so evident no way.
Who that the evidence bang? And then Ninya Ashford toothbrush.
Oh sweetheart, Ashford toothbrushes no. You want different types. She abena de ya mokubi. Ashford Princess and Obra could do the so Ashford Galaxy. What dear na ira no so Ashford Evident. Media so Ashford Executive and now my media no so Ashford Friendly.
Without Ashford toothbrush
my dear, Ashford toothbrushes are who do dear. Papa, moto. Ne to me bro do me ye dani bia akwashisha ho. Ashford Prince, Ashford Princess, Ashford Friendly, Ashford Evident, Ashford Executive, ne Ashford Galaxy toothbrushes. Fibo Ventures na kofa bedaso. To phone friend 0241 545 646 and 0200 600 934. Ashford toothbrushes. They will soon need.
If I shop, I'm sure you'll bag.
Brady, and not so good.
Not tell me about Michelle, see about Queen, why me and say,
Bra, said your time about Mr. Esia Jimmy me fearful, and Yadia about ever so.
Really, I know this offending now.
Bra, so me cousin me the time about Mr. Huadancia, we are singing now about Temenka. It is some malaria, where do any time about Mr.
I never go, dear, and what I want to me any deal. What do any time about Mr. A drink and your mark or bar waffle through. Dear, what mark for down for any aquada when you fear do me, and son of the time about Mr. Draven. Shasa Wako Hospital and Nasa Lab, I'm what say, oh, a 3D malaria be answer.
I also time me TIME. Time about Mr. I feel malaria fever be than is Ziba, a woman, ever trap. Ubenya be at all, over the counter medicine sellers, and the herbal shop to Tuanamu. FDA Aji a judging cratoi at all.
Brakasa ya duabon waso a ne dwumedi wo nipadua biara pom den ene na brabo mu ne hie pa enye brakasa nko nuaba ne haban bi te se ko nsusu a abonwono ne dia akeka ho no kura enwanunu ahodo a ekọ animu yi ankasa brakasa ne sa nuaba yi binom ne akeka bobudi afa abefo kwan so a ye dia ye brakasa powder siesi nipadua na abakwa ahodo no ho ban afrimpani yade ne yade ahodo pi ho fa enkodate de ma baako freduane anopa ne enwumre anafa enkodate de ma baako ɛwɔ ne nsuhye yɛtin anɔpa ne anwumre wɔbrɛ a wɔdidi awie wobɛnya preke powder to Kingswalk Herbal ne Harrows Herbal Accra Okesi Drug Lane Dani Herbal Kumase Mensa Takrade Mose Pharmacy ne Greenlight Pharmacy Sunyane Cash and Carry Supermarket Asantoa Herbal ne Abibidro Depot Techiman Sewa Herbal Mampong Etufo mfrɛ 0550 19 15 14 Preke powder aduane san yedru FD ahwehwe sankratoe mu agiatum
sa wo pe wallpapers papa to OP wallpapers ana make come for amount sa wo pe wallpapers decorate offices sa wo fie sorry say perhaps ahodo baby bia wo hia wallpaper de do djuma bia no OP wallpapers efro yema wallpapers be match blind curtains no best side lamps nso a OP MR types or mark shapes colors ahodo no nyina wobenya bia to na so ye ho se open LED backlight above flash screen achia and also OP mobi so open selfie ring light do phone beshim OP wallpapers and selfie ring light OP Kumasi Adum first floor Nana Kwesi Ajman building name Tafo GNTC building first floor and a chronom or barrier on the market and edian so open wholesale and answer retail any OP any in South free OP our 0540 353750
Mama kwa baba Gentleman Dental Clinic yedwumadi ayedi ane say yebesiesie wosen na yabo wosen ho ban ama wonum enso ate anase wosen animonyam so afa na ntuma pa efi wo fixed one no anase ye tafre no permanent one no eno susum yesi a untimi entu bi eno ene efe no PFM bridge anase PFM crown afei yesan cleaning services oba ye profession mu na ye fe scaling and polishing se ebia enema bi ahyehyehye esen mu se bi o kasa etimi mapampan ene ade ebagu na no oba Gentleman Dental ye ni nyina bi ewo ho Gentleman Dental Clinic ye wo Koforidua Central Police Station enchen ho na wodru enkan so a ye wo nungwa na atomic down dome kwa benya runabout no so ho na wodru takwade pipe ano traffic light na ewo pipe ano ho ye ne OGN bank na wo the same premises na kachiman so ye wo magazine market kwan so ho anase opposite AY Ahmed na wodru Kumasi Abrepo Junction Total Filling Station wa traffic light na anihwe G runabout no wo free Total Filling Station na yabron san na edi ho ye adwuma free eda joada kopem eda memeda wetimi afre ya homa no e wo 055 913 9582
mede ma breka afei na mebe twama ne me ya wansa na makofi akrofo kwa ha ju area ha toto anokre na wo kan no me de misuo kra se nsuo beto ne senke beda ha o ye beda ha enne ye just birthday se me kodwam kodija amebe ne aduane ma no hello
Sisi ukunu birthday ni say ba so medemani ato aduane ne so me need the whole day e ba me difufuo
madam I sense fiti anopa mesinye masa afei na me twen amanawo me wi amakodwom akodidwa ma brekra
wuti wiasi unim say high sense washing machine and then you ukunu special day or the aduane for party na nyumre na bra showroom asesi ana me nkyere WhatsApp
menya idea no me va sesi Hey, madam, I sense.
See. What bantamo?
I show traffic be anymore. Nada was saying.
Me see, way any Series 5 smart washing machine wa. Me can WhatsApp. Washing machine and no one app. A senior am roll. Temperature this in Sintino. A come one getting in a few near menu. I may need Dawaya Projin. Series 5 way dear at dinner home. It's a film one and why you pay. And what the CSA and your din. So near mano, then Jenny when you nam canio. Into a walk cania cat. What to me programming S5 smart washing machine say, and can everyone tidying? Never in our kama. Washing machine you programming now. What to me on smartphone so?
Hey, madam, I sense. Would you the best see me? Mama back on
the mouth dodo. High Sense Series 5 smart washing machine. ABC. Echimu a dry in temper.
bi wo ha no meja tom na rewu se be wo me say abofra keto a wanya 2 years akadai ba ku nti African Spider-Man bla me ya abofra keto yi mo na nipa ho hia dede bi ko so no ti ka me ho ne ko hede wo mbia African Spider-Man and Baby Sebo Abofra but preoccuping in who's African Jack what Baby Sebo Abofra now with secret no anything in boost herbal mixture and only me secret na dia na ye na me yetua na ma nkeka e wo fom ana police me di one dance say me say menye na me nso hwe na me so we no a boost immune system ama say me train na me ntebre me timi di kama ama nkeka wo dum so ekoso me kura so me ta yale ama my latitude me nya ba ko ayeje na koso we hey Spider-Man what are you
who fa me kura chen ubenya imbus herbal mixture e wo pharmacy anase herbal shops apem for eni nkola omundi fie dumienu enom FDA ajigede nkatwe atu
the luckiest
star 712
luck is everywhere for everyone yeah.
Here's to the friends who dialed star 712 and found no regrets. To the investors who struck gold. To the health workers who diagnosed luck with precision. To the tough guy who couldn't hold back his tears. To the passionate fan who couldn't contain his joy. To the seamstress who turned her hard-earned stitches into a bundle of happiness. And now, here's to you. Your next big win is right here.
Luck is everywhere for everyone, yeah. The luckiest.
Dial star 712 hash. Now join in the luckiest winning celebration. Every 1st July 2024. Over dial star 712 hash. Now I cost to ticket as a group, individual, and now even as a community. Now win is the car cashier. Prizes are cashier in the community draw or go for the grand draw on the 30th of November 2024. Unlock your luck with star 712 hash. Now join in the winning streak now.
The luckiest
star 712 hash.
Luck is everywhere for everyone, yeah. The luckiest.
Alright, yeah, Momo de na yentimi ento aso kama kabra fisem neba ababe rametimi ediama keneba na ode ato aso de amana mo express group semenka emfancho za kwenya ba so preso tu kwan na ko ekuru ma amano ne kokusuya de ebo ama school for no kra ye je scholarship etimi ebe admission awodo na ye be ni ade de ama eba no visa assistant take it on sensem ni na ere ne ebo baby ti se Canada USA UK Australia na fi New Zealand ni Germany ye betimi edwo ewram na ne ma adade de ama edwumefo no o wonsa no dwuma nko ade afanbo express group no mo na ehwe na de so na ba media mana na dwuma ku bi a mo person mo koto wa amano ne announce no wanya holidays bi a o person oji wani ani na be na yetimi ade wawura mo bi a so no pe bi a e ban international exam institution registration be it IELTS no SAT no GRE no and GM80 no and afi so no to ne de aka ka na be na ya boa opo mo akuma se asaf labor about to nyoma crack and she first like tema community 18 last she be go your friendly station no and East Legon or more takra di sunyane tamale bibia ni bebia or mo bo ejuma 0249 00044 0249 00044 na 0555 550067 0555 550067 emboa na ne man de di pemfa ma wo demo no ho be ye fa e wo se no bo modena odo ho bo OP wallpapers o mo de be na ya boa na ne man de ye pa etimi era mana me pa cho se ne tie ye so pre 3D wallpapers na enkoto ashine bi quality one no e OP and abomo de dia ba be best lamps no ye be boa man se etimi aka makaze ne inra dem nda enso kan ensi so wan we ya na o baba binya enimu ha oni na no ye be ne aboa na TV backlight this time round no ye re TV na light so dum no pena backlight no aye juma na efefefe na selfie ring light no ye de do no etimi abantu YouTubers no mo anemu ba TikTok no betimi akona kwa blind curtains no and abaso a boys no eyusu enye kufu ni bia and a plastic wardrobes out on a obenye bi center cabinet and air diffusers out on flowers no wall clocks ni na no AOP wallpapers na etimi era baba ko na do na peso tu a obetimi afa number ina wedding come 0540 353750 0540 353750 obo mo a oro ani chemu edun pizeta na na kwesi agyeman na ban so no first so nyo omo fiwa na okọ hello efra ban so na kronom so no omo na wo ho a barrier ho a osi kronom market no first so nyo omo ne aboa na ne ma de ye pa etimi era ma ya simple enforcement kan emfancho say ya toothpaste awodo na ye de aba na ba be ru ma ahoro miensa na ya san abomo de aba dodo na je atumo omo eyusu eboa ma ne ma dadi per mom na de di kan no eye ya total care no eno beboa na boss no ban enya ahoden ama na edendenden na ya ye bi o bia no eye refi odi eti ono eye yas whitening no eno so beboa na ma se na aye fita na ohumi ankofo zampa akọ ehumi no emu ehwam ye papa ena yas herbal toothpaste na no so no eye natural herbs a yetimi edi aya eboa boss no ban ema na ye den esa ma gam no niam akoye ma na afi ohumi nso a niam adeda de area ma na afi no omo abomode two brushes awdo na abayo prince princess na afi so no na eruwa ni chema duke ebiti say monarch ena no nanche no dashes awdo na ne nkwada de a ene yetimi area bantime pacho open ne two brushes awdo na any toothpaste na eye yas omo product ni no so ko ekokoje na eboa na niam adeda di imperative area ma kunu Ghana Limited ene no ebani Chinese quality herbs na omo na abomode etimi ediaba ababirama no edimpa araba bazin tablet eye edema baby girls no your babo sume so obunsa na chese e kaunje ni ma nshara nkoyi amfie wa ye BC basa na chese ne no nkofo betimi arura momani agea araba bazin tablet no ene wo so ojibi no obeboa etimi esiesie wo eno echiere Mr. Kewa bedi ama mema na where mewo mpemu afrezo wa na osisi nu nkoto yo ya o lo libido na jesa ade ni peja na ne man koyi a ni nyina mu na wo so hwe na oboa na onya Mr. Q ni bi na ne ma dadi imperative mere ma na afi hunchun capsules no eye de ma ye mema ye prostate no ojonso obre ojonso mu apai ojonso wa na ache no soso a ebe na aboa ma ne ma dadi imperative mere ma ntukuma ase a oro ni chemu eba pharmacy shop ya e won patamu a ujibi o ma na ma ne 0244 275429 0244 275429 na afi 0206 271016 0206 271016 niambwa na hyehyɛ ndeda yie pa etimi enfamanti omadaroma ye brena yakɔ na mema na aba no wetimi edi awram na afi nkomo no awram etimi edi amana mo the luckiest oto ho nkomo na wafa pen ni pipa no watwe etimi edi ato na de etie nie yeze we ni edi edi kan kraba na aba bewram ewa bibrema bewram Ghana ha ano edin ye papa edin mu nyina mutimi kam ubom na mabɔmɔden etimi etwebi ni ranze network there is be abeda star 712 hash star 712 hash wabɔmɔden ato ticket no obetimi ato from 1 Ghana cedi ekoko ram 5000 Ghana na the ma utwa no na onso unya akonya so oba ababa bidi na aboa manema de da yie pa etimi edi ama na munkomo no ene se de niema no esietie ene de ekoso no ene se ino babɔmɔden na chese on the 30th November no yetimi entotie na grand prize no etimi ram grand draw ebetimi akoso obi a ebetimi ahene bibia na omozi nei ye the giveaway bi ba on the 12th August 2024 ene ebɔmɔden ram ni nyina so ofia ni abisa as what the luckiest no nkomo na what ya ebia code na edi twa na yesen ansa ne se star 712 hash star 712 hash na afia bisa se wan na qualifies so twa wanya mfie dun wotwe de kwa o qualifies so twa ntisa answers ni nyina fato na from the 12th August kono ye bebo modena ya hyase etimi the giveaway na remedy man call for the luckiest no omunim na ni so mamenko na luta mfie luta ze bibia aboko de
o nyame adum kwaku na wo so e
o me so mo ye fie so de dadin de
nyame adum kakra
na no so me call ankan no mon kraba be di me ho dada semen controls or chiao pa o chia mu nyina o no ye show no o call kantamanto no ye adwuma nyina no obi ato e dem ze dada de ye we ni ade a ba de o mo kan no so no ye nti obi a me no nko ani di nkomo e de o me kasa agu
oh bibiani ya dana se o muso no monitor show no
oh fame ko obi ante de o mo kan
right brother so say de afisem e de bram na e wo adwuma di ato ni di full time so na yen sha same free Ghana Football Association omo asye meet the press no obaka na no ye touching it down e de emma mo say Ghana Football Association say ene donkubo wo sunwane Uzbet Hotel ho and omo meet the press ne beba so no mo say ne donk 1 PM entimi ma so de akọ 2 p.m. and adwumadi ne betimi aba so nyina no say enhyehyɛ Ghana Football Association omo agye dwumadi omo pese omo di ahead of the season enche ebeba so no omo central for behia na sa omo di agufam na nsem bia en central for tia yente ase yi a ye pam asem bisa no ne ye busa no monya adaja kyerɛkyerɛm eso ede ama enti ne meet the press no ebetimi aba so eno chinwro mo the executive council member Edma Ghana Football Association Operi Gideon Fosu and Wadia Tuja was in Crawford Kikasa Ghana AFCON yen team qualify for 2025 Debeto Jo Morocco na or Dajun one Telsia was it for qualification party I would da no do office Ghana ye bet me a qualify.
We are very passionate when it comes to Black Stars. Even when we are not performing, I'm always rooted. For me, you cannot get any better a time like what we have now, but we need to make use of it. So if you ask me to qualify for African Cup this time, it's in fact Ghana has always qualified. It's not an ask for me. So we will definitely qualify, and I'm looking forward to the team qualifying to the World Cup. We have a good team, we have a good technical team. Once the other things also come into play, the sky will be the limit.
ESCO member no eya team no ba qualify World Cup crown ye kwa no na eno chire say oh say ye ba qualify na ye boy ansa no qualification ebe keke e dia ma ye dia ye kwa so ye chances na te say ye kwa bi kwa ana ye kwa akwaje AFCON no.
We have what it takes now to be champions again. I'm not even kidding. I think that if we continue the way we are going now and we are able to see, there's a very good blend of players now in the Black Stars, the young and you can say the matured ones. I like the blend because it then gives you on the pitch you have everything that you require in a team. You have players who have been there before and you have players.
Ghana ye Romo AFCON 2025 be Ghana afi na nkaba fo anyom afi de enya afi pa maya afi de enya afi pa maye ni nyina no say your young players your new players yaka omo ediabom your omo so more experience esu ewom enti Ghana ye kopiema AFCON de ye kina ko ne ebrenie ye beje na Doris Bodua akoda we bicycle twie Tebogo from New Town to Town. Bicycle because see and no dia ball no na ne was Hazakes ladies kwa kopiem Abidjan for Wafu Zone B ba CAF Women's Champions League na woni hwe kra na wo ye team na wo si academy the former club no or special message edema omo.
Hello Hasma, it's your girl Doris Bodua, and I'm here to wish you the very best of luck in your second campaign of the World Food Tournament. Girls, go make your family proud, yourself, and don't forget you are representing Ghana. So go for gold and come out with flying colors. We are with you in spirit. Heavy, do.
Eno Doris Bodua eso eno no Yemramo 2024 best manche homo charity cup eno so baso nyamepa Sunday ya na dajeni poso uram stadium Accra Sports Stadium popular stand at 10 Ghana cedis VIP anka 100 VVIP 200 and a lower VIP 50 Ghana cedis eno take it prices no na eno chino referee ni Kofi Gideon and at the center ref from our point no so me general share na Brandon Kwadwo Obin Junior and maybe no siakan Edma Hearts of Folk and no Roma Pandwa ho eno dini dwuma or but and former club enti Kwadwo Obin Junior ebe bo etiaphobia boboko no am bia ye fine eno na press conference no timi ba so na eno no wura ye friend ni ayibonte Maybe no did Hearts of Folk no their friend Thomas Okan was saying Great Olympics for there just dabi best man channel enu omuni asetena papa kra the only day wo no omo kai so be invite oli so me bo manche cup ni bi kra da yentie no
Olympics last year we invite Olympics at the last day there they will draw.
I would never and never call Olympics to play a match between us and Olympics. They showed disrespect to me, and I will never forget it. The time. But I'm making sure, I'll make sure that if I'm reading a match, I will never read a match between us and Olympics. Thank you.
Olugbobo, we ni ayi bonte. Maybe phobia no did man Thomas Okan and waka say last year pa Olin house ya invite to Olia ye bibia we damn it no Olia ba oh yeah mo disrespecting no mo kunen ma say o man for bo amfama no nti so no tase pa say oba range game Olympics ka ho de tofi akwa ensida no we na anim ado and organizer edima bese manche homo charity cup no wa chirechim say the game no ebe faso ako.
One thing about good motivation be adding the players but my sister Lions are from being junior is not a former player and I want to see a player also to sign new players be or maybe Benjamin Sarri I don't fully be the time she go to so you know as she could very interesting game say probably hard for new players on my time apart from that never getting that's why they even a cool team from the getting now British Commission so many I will tell them so the getting I know yeah yeah, we take players on my behalf that I'm going to get more the community more and Kwame Kumo, I just take more. That's why I'm liking the mono only transfer boys now. I'm going to my ball as the no more legend to give it to Lapia on the ball marketing. Now, dear, I'm going to say, you better, I put the film. Now, I think it's a ball at that from France. I'm not going to grab Gamashi here, or Gamashi over 250 in the advance. Over 5 the over stadium there popular stand 10 cities
anu ya nchiremu anim ado edma efa gbese manche homo peace charity cup no eso eho na yemra mo samates den okwani nyame ni se de omukọ ne different level kra omo unveil omo jersey 2024-2025 omo ne ebebo Ghana Premier League no na yentwa kwan a omfa so pa hontuma. Summer Text 1996 na so Roma omo Jesse ombe Yusuf for 2024-2025 as the league champions are ombe defending on ela hu say aba ye twagu kama oma poundma na omo wi na brekum Chelsea for so yeso yampa ye de ho entuma na brekum Chelsea blue and white no and that's home Jesse no omo say ye hwe ya me ba to mame 6 Premier League clubs are omo velo omo jerseys no na me twa eno na me wura ma hu brand bia e bi so hwa summer test there no company ye from Icarus and I hwa Kotoko the Hope brand Carola United the Hope brand and I hwa Legon City se Bena and Gold Star say Icarus na ye hwa Brekum Chelsea dia ne dia anteboy hwe nso and I'm kwadi nkono so the entom ya so said almost celebrate 20th anniversary and Thomas Shada ye kita almost be celebrate enti almost in church mu say traditional white and blue colors no use ye na white no represent successor team na team achieve for the last 2 decades and urama blue no so commitment and passion players now shown on the field and almost red and goalkeeper the red room and also no represent heroes and members omo edo mo jano mo fifre ababa some club no enu nti no dey desire wo mo nya na kofa we be bom brand bia enchechirema ewo mo no
history
na ura ma ose
history brand
ebi si nya na mo anya bie
ose
ebi si nya
na obebre Chelsea jersey ya na figa na how if ya ma no ne eba ba me the history ni nyina be ma o so goalkeeper ni de no wa yare
good efe
we no so kra nya de keto akra
na Samatters then am number na Samatters supporters no na no virus call Sama boy won senche cap no and what say e fans bi didi nkomo wa chire no say adena team no e bom ode o magi crew anam raho asemu twanten e bi to ayam piasa om so say sempanyfo no players om sensan nyina no yes supporters na ultras almost sign local player bia almost sign player ko mun kan kire ye nim players on ban ko ye nim bidin ye ntie Samatters almost supporters no
home base players ye two number ye free no almost replace two no and a group ni e wom no say obi e che na adwene wom na won tie ase a inde your board members wa no be to introduce wom mo free meeting ye mlem sama ya sa nyoma ni nyina enko
Muka se munye denya moye ya
ye introduce o se scout ye tuya ye ochas eduma le sen recruitment dey say ya we
na be dey possible
ndi ye o dey mummy samban fo say yeah players on my sign ye ni mo bi adin
na so
awa he me na 19 years tifie auto banji o jom what did the banji ska bet you get 50 cedi ama like na kona wie ya na we ka social media me na no social media on Facebook on Twitter atisa me yes na no obi na use 100 phone onye obi na use iPhone ndo bet ma media no so
yeah dey support dey support team no dey support team ni wie ya no team na tonto players even your home boys from bobo no kra no omo home boys from omo ya mo krom ha no bobo no kra no ma yomu ina fim enu ti na team na yasa no ye home support na ma team na kwa chi na say home support ni nim dia ombekwa asaba
ano ayen Samatters ultras support to Samatters to reduce now Real Madrid Jesse and I bet as I'm cry for the serious na and watching your call owura woye brand manager or say in charge of marketing and your Paul ayaba on as a Paul what are more supporters no concern in you now that supporters with titima enye ye dia na moka e dia fa ho
that we will have loved say career 11 no cry no amando mu nyina no mo ya boyfo no mo bo. But the truth is that I have a performance contract. My stay here or living, is purely based on resource. Okay. Yes, so at any point in time, players have my resource. And on board, you see, you say a dream living aboard, and they say, more homeboys. Say resource are macra or mum fan one. But board, and they say the team should be competitive. I should make sure that results come into a more results when you money.
And we are dear tier. The virus, everyone was a share. Marco Sama boy, Jeff Asumame, my near money yao fine. Medi, enti mene former Kotoko player very Richmond Opokunin Komo. Now on 2 Kotoko players on mobile for front F4 na advisor. Richmond Opokudma Kotoko new players no yentia no so kakra.
Sure, wabo Kotoko na da futube na de the new players I assign you mo nkroma siso mo Kotoko na futube na de be mo se be ya no ma be kuyi dia mo no mo ankasa tima cycle mo going to attend Kotoko.
Futu am de be mo ni say as a young player osiso a onya club ti say Asante Kotoko has folk now kwa a good exposure amount but futu am me wa me de be mo also make it hard training. Also me focus e wo mo training ho na every day bia o mo make sure say bibia seniors for old players mpanifo no mo be ni kwan so mo do ho etoto mo because omo younger after mo si so onim say oba Kotoko no abo adru ba bi say wo bo akọ ani but obi ho you old so at say when to do ho kobo na say mo nyina mo life no mo make like we no to say na for at the end of the day no on wanyina wi obetimi abo Kotoko why okay but wo young player final so ntimi afutu am de mo say omonyere mo no munye train omonye hard work Kotoko so a big club okoho a obetimi anya chances bebre etukan ti asema me meka a kire omono no
ade obeka say wo no call and want to take chances so ya nam for simbia ni kwanza wo ya na
oh that be to me no I hope say me training me am afem there but I don't know only one thing I meet my can say man shada nya chances more matches kese obia chede humisa ntimi
enu yensema Richmond Opoku editudwa ebe no konemom uwuramu Division 1 League Super Cup enu semi finals no nyina ba na we say final na set uwuramu na say Vision FC and Okwa United na edebe pem so enu Vision 4 qualify no omani je papa celebrate ma bibia esu etimi ye kama na uwuramu Evans Adumakuredu mutually on so party weight with Air Kerala United enti Evans Adumakuredu say the on Kerala aton kwanta pa yuso atama eso say omo awokam player ye fe no Adum Kwesi Yeboa say omra no mebo adwuma emfa emo eno edete a ye bam ye nyina so ansem awdo eboabo no ne no ye mfasine mom ene eye Ghana Executive Council member uko Sudan a oye omo national team head coach James Katache Ajankwaba Mayele Kwesiapia na birthday tine kochito dini birthday
na we na birthday kufu pao enye birthday ketwa kra ken birthday uza pa modu pa wa ipa yes
Sudan technical director
yes.
Then GFA ESCO member
onye ripatwa Ojana na azu buta.
O brasu do abo biskasu de gunu.
Please. Odin. Ayo de for nyeskeni.
So Marcus, why you are saying that you are looking at his achievement?
Yeah.
82 he was in the final.
As well as Kodoko lost the cup final 83. And don't forget Kodoko Obetu Karimzito no Obetu Karimzito as a left back. And then he consistently won the 83. Don't forget African Cup 82. So as he is celebrating, he's one African Cup. We need the last African Cup and the last AFCON for Ghana.
Wow.
Yeah. So I mean, he's somebody he's achieved a lot as a player and as a coach. He qualified us for the 2014 World Cup, the first local coach OSR.
First black man.
OSR for us, and but for other issues, that team would have done very well. Then the second coming, he won 2 matches for us, and unfortunately, Bamano. And look at what he's doing.
The list where you cry was the Kudus introduction.
Was then the only player introduction there.
In fact, Jordan, Ghana, Sudan.
Yeah.
Ghana for Chado, Papa, and Jordan. That was the Jordan maiden appearance in the national team.
And one player then a buyer, Christian Achu.
Yes.
Now Abdul Majid Wise.
Waris also, yes.
Why is the man we are
so he's coach. Happy birthday. I mean, he's performed. Yes, Wakasu.
Yes. On the other player introduction, there's a Mickey.
Yes.
On the Oboni young players on your mobile. Oh, the later you cry. Rafael Jamna.
Yeah, Rafael Jamna.
Yeah, on it in the back.
Said on only weapon back here, you have my young guys opportunity early in the national team. Who they say, oh, opportunity. Tap on Chama, on Konya, Akokransa. And for me, he's done a lot of work. He's achieved a lot as a player and as a coach. And he's achieving as we speak today. Yeah, World Cup draw. Now Senegal, DRC, Sudan, a war-torn Sudan or grouper. You are not expecting Sudan to top the group because they are even struggling. They are training in Saudi Arabia.
But still, almost tough for.
You see, I'm
away from.
Still almost for.
They are leading Senegal by 2 points. Now, what that means? All they need is a win against Senegal at home. And France Senegal can show more away crap. That 2 points difference will be there, and the possibility of James Ghana deal, Sudan Echo World Cup is also lingering. It's also Then in a group against Ghana, he has unfinished business.
And what is Sudan about Kumasi?
I know you are Sayumano. So I mean, Black Stars, they are 2025
special happy birthday.
Because
about as man say me
Sudan qualify for World Cup. Concerned supporters of Sudan, Ghana, you beat Makudu Mochako US.
I don't got any problem, just apply it.
Supporters of
asylum seekers.
And if a fast track is easier.
Asylum
shout out for we to some men amenya monitor na many omunin come na me say coach akomia frame me camp Sompa na me say call up na ba ni nyina me am call for no amango asibo stars o ma frame weekend me kona masan akoposo ntena no etimi e dia momo na nyambo Sunday Orwani Chemo, Sulele Zongo Park, Ewo Domain Kwa, 3 p.m. Sulele Zongo Park, Zongo Park, Ewo Domain Crew, at 3 p.m. Pepe. Now we need Ambele Boys, Ewo Domain Crew. Omone among Wasibo stars, Obrikum. The among Wasibo star, when I'm your leading attacker. And I'm a tiati, call up Papa, Mimi Base Apostle, to call up Papa.
All these days, me no be call number.
The Ambele Boys, one, I'm a baby. Unimomo, Ambele for Ambele. Ambele Boys, Moncha, and Apostle, the Atiana say, Ambele for no. Nipa ba ko friend Mutala Muhammad. Eze Mutala no ye sine ayi Hausa hene. Ewo Doma Zongo. Okodoma municipality wona omu sine Hausa hene. Ero ma to nsa afre Amangwasibo stars for. CM ne ne omu ntie wie pe na match no. Ye de ahyehyɛ but Ambele for ne me kasa wechi. Semi hwe na mama
like say omu nim so ye deadly. On pese bia 3 goals over shot say bia obegum amom kakra.
Abazo is all kwa Amangwasi a. Record da ho ne say omo top scorer me bra penyi no ye feni Jakarta
okay
me na me yes second top scorer enu ni wa record the order ho e de pa ye bobo bi na Jakarta ne ba no no mu team baako e na me so mu different team me shegu Jakarta shegu na ne ba no so shegu BC da
wow
that bia me ka me bon national team na dia Amangwasi de team ba
Shela last time
ono ka shila wa inside no listen me nka
iti Ambele Boys montwe beba na ya baba bebo na ma dadi na me na mbo ito na memra na yini nkoma akra Gentleman Dental Clinic semenka erfa chozo wa kunya so beba na ya boa na ne ma deda yie pa na timiera ma se nete yes ne no examination consultation services no e ya de abere ne abo exam se sen no hu hia se ebehwe na ye di djuma na aboa na ne ma deda di imperial ma teeth replacement ne be ye etimiera ma na teeth extraction then the braces awodo na e na person the bomb modern na utimiere to season ze sen no ya na ba kusia ba ne sensa so ni na ebere na ya boa ama ne ma deda di imperial ma na scaling and polishing ere etimi eye ne kama pa etimiere ma sen no na person ni odi wie ni gold and silver odi hyeso na ye kama pa Gentleman Dental Clinic bere na ya boa na afo sen no wano nom ne ma ama ni change color ye be boa na ya white ne kama pa etimi edi ama na ne ma dadi party sin na hunya obere ni wadu dwuma na ne ma dadi edi ama wa Gentleman Dental Clinic can also call ekukuru omana manu 059-139-582 opo mo a omo me awodo no Ghana Kumasi Abepo Junction omo ben total filling station no Techima so ro ni chimo Techima magazine wa odu na chimo Techima market no benyo makra nungwa na atomic dom mo adwuma okọ for idia omo ben Central Police Station o market on atakra de pipe ano traffic no odu na chimo Disco Junction GN Bank unyo omo na ne ma dadi ere ama bafu polo zemen kan fan Joseph ene open quality African print awodo na omo na etimi ede aba ene ede designs awodo na se polo shirt round neck shirt and golf shirt ni v-neck no ni nyina bo ama ne ma ko ebuti fo no mutimi ko ekokutu a enhyehyɛ mu ne yede be ma abofo kwan so na nipa ba ko so no upebi ato a ye be bo ama ne ma ko yede ama nationwide ombo modern e delivery ne ko bibia zenne no opeso oje no ye deliver de ama wa enya de so betwi akapre na nhyehyɛ o ma ye nie your platinum package no 20 shirt or box diamond package no 15 shirt or box gold package no 10 shirt or box and a silver package no enso 5 shirt or box na bronze no enso 1 to 4 na yezi ne bafo classics na ba na label tops out on any trousers ne shorts no benya bi kaftan west no ye dia ba ano edian ne bo no ya dia e wo fom ye papa e rozo wa bie dia tumze mo amo santase trade a mo ben patamu ne ba ne tela adwuma mu nim na ni so no obetimi aba ma na fa wadwuma na hyehye ne zo obere atwa aka ya accommodation count na ye po mo patamu no open na hinema kokoben santase oboaso kwan no so nya no to betimi afa number utobi ana peso koye adwuma 40249 600789 0249 600789 0599899919 na wajo so aboa ama ne ma deda dimpa etimi ediama imbus heba mesha ne police ni ne dro no eno ne edin ede ma no oyayo onyayo ode jimbus heba mesha ne bi na aboa obonzo hona ne besisi so ebe man kwabo na hoden na kwedi ti anya wa hodo na imbus force ni yenka emfantro say Imbus pharmacy no omo bia dia tuma na no de a eno mu ebie na eho se omo bomoden eton ndru ahodo na eho no ma betimi aba betu akoton nationwide omo so no ebe deliver dia mana on sa kana wetimi dia abojuma edu betimi aform na ma no komodi de bia oni omo dini aboa manema akoyi pere amaduro no upebi aton anadodo na atua 0246 208496 0246 and afi so no say name pharmacy no na person oni omo din koma 0533929177 0533929177 opo mo kuma se kode office kwan no so omo Methodist Church no ene die ni mira ye boa na nema deda din pa e dia ma Qualitac Dental Clinic ezi ne no dental therapy and afi root canal treatment no crowns and bridges ni na be na ya boa ma nema koyi peda ma complete dentures no yetimi abomodien na dental implants se ezi ne no nema enshara nkoyi ntimi amfa ma wo sen ho na peso twa scan na ehwe be na ya ye dia ma cleaning and polishing no oro ani chemo Qualitac Dental Clinic ye be na dia ma na teeth whitening no omohwe etimi eye na patasi kechi amajima banso no mo eben vega so me pacho number no 0538250078 0538250078 na 0545906888 0545906888 nemwa na ne mandeda din pen fama Kangen energetic drinking water me pacho teniye Kangen energetic drinking water enkonum nsuo bia enkonkonya ha obia ewozo nya nsupabo se de beboa na wegina wona so na ne mandeda din pen timiera mana nsuo wei konfo edu nkoma no edin dodo nyanze minu asa odo na abitse calcium magnesium potassium ne iron ne uma eba beboa ma ne madadin so etimiera ma yanti mebe na yere fi ona aboa abiebio ntini mama moja no etimi edi fusane ntini enkonum nso bia ma ne mfo adwim de obeno mebeboa no Kangen energetic drinking water ejumebo no yade ano edin ye papa Breman UGC anatafo new road no about Rujanshon no obomode na so no wajo de omana ma no 0241 449191 0241 449191 no poso a ye be ni ajo so na aboa na ne ma deda din pa etimi edi ama ne ade am da ade me no kra kwa ne sa me nim ze ye nye na yi na ewia ne yemra ne ma bi hia ne ade a ne fa so me na mento aso na yenko ewia ba ya to
Gregory Osesibe, happy birthday. Ya Klichi.
Ne Klichi da.
I say Klichi birthday, no Klichi see in fact kunya isu na wishing man First National Bank.
Oh, okay.
Was say wish Gregory Osesibe. When I CEO of General Fashion Academy. Nyame enshira na onyo kesi bebre.
Mate. Adimigi area ba na ayeyati. Also bere.
Aka pese mo reshi Obama but enye ne birthday nti.
As I would. Okay. Amase. So you say Mase no?
Yeah. Say jina kapizan ka be wishing about me.
Okay, Mase no.
Maka say enye ne birthday.
And I supposed to be beside say we are say na be die solo ye na me dey solo zeka Mase ne Barack Obama.
Sa
Kamase no. The baby girl no the money down so me.
My Joss.
If you.
I can't go. Minim that's you. Sa minim obi o ware adjust ne baba.
Sa wan.
Kofi Boache
be.
Oh takrade.
As I would.
Oh no crab.
What way you do abi lo? Oba kasa wo bi anyi ni o.
Adjust.
Mariana Shadi quick one. Me bobo birthday no so na PG mu na exactly 12 news number. Emma meto aso kama pa na ntimi emfa emma ndi. Asha me nim say dey sin corona mo ntogbe ahaban keke. Makanse ni nana fi Benin and aberu amoda homi. Ni juma obono ano edin party huhumu nsem ne ade a ni nyina no e wozo kona na boa na ujian na so na ne makoyi pede man 0244 484747 0244 Kumasi ya Josephine ase kwana so bonfa hospital junction no obo modern na wanya na ne ma dida ye petimi era madi minim sha ade ayibia ya ana danka ya hwena ayi ni ade a di sha tuto mu ntiri hwela yenye we na yenye ade ya ni we ya bat ni nyina mu ebehwe na exactly 12 in the news at 12 na bana ababa be ramu kama pay timi e dia mana bibibi timi adeda yi ni ade okay edi ehwe na menye ne quick pa na sha yanko birthday special nti audi to my happy birthday and farmer Mrs Gladys Edu Ma Gladys any efi Reverend Eric Edu and afi omani nyina si nyame hia papa na ayoda no de opbm ramu kama paint me fama momi and afi nana ekia sapon no so si ramu fama Junior Alista nyame nua kuma no ju nyame hia papa na ayoda no nyama ndeda din so no etimi fama kama pa na ehwe the other ones no happy birthday nkwen fama Margaret Owusu ni magi eyoda onso nyame hia na magi de opbia emramu kama pa fama na nyama ndeda din fama na special nkwen fama Greece amoya Greece ene ni udu wani chiome won kranza hona Greece won so no ebu ejuma so see that na yoda no nyame hia papa na de opibia emramu kama pa etimi emfa emana afi nko fama na akwejo pepra nana akwejo pepra wo kumase nana ene nso yon so da nyame hia pa na de onso no uhia bia na nyame mboa na emramu kama pa entimi emfa mana afi nko emfama Musia Kamara enisu ya Mutia Kamara ne da di sweetheart ozo na yoda no nyame hia pa na de onso pibia na ndeda mu kama so no entimi emfa ema na neema ndeda yesu efa ma dija me ni nyina asawa di yehwe na yempeje mu na yenko na 12 pepepe news ne beba beto aso ya ma wi beba na ya betransfer on the shootout na de akebia yet